old baby bed that a customer sent, and here's the rails to it. And it's an old Sears Roebuck bed, and we're turning it into a dog bed. So I'm trying to keep a lot of the original look, and we're going to we can keep toys down here for the dog. This will be a storage area, and then the bed will go up here, and then we're going to come out. We're going to have a step right here so the dog can step up. It's a smaller dog, so the bed will be a perfect size for it. And then the customer also wants to do a cutting board out of this headboard, so we're going to see what we can do with that. And we also got all this other scrap from the headboard as well. We'll be probably doing some things on the channel with that as well, but we're going to go ahead and get started on finishing this dog bed right here. And then this is going to be, what we're doing here is I'm going to put some hinges on this and basically make it into one of those blanket ladders, and that's what we're doing. So I went up to Home Depot and just got some small hinges, and we're going to put them here and make this into a blanket ladder. And then she ordered a dog bed. That's what we're doing there. And then we're out of the headboard, we're going to do a cutting board. So we will come back in. We had a lot of these holes from where it had some hardware attached to the bed, and I'm just going to come back in and fill these holes with some wood filler. And then I'm going to take a restoring finish, something similar to this, a restore finish, and not that color, but a lighter color. When we come in and we can just stain over this and kind of shine that back up a little bit. And then what we're doing down here on the storage part is I'm about to cut a 3-inch piece, about 25-inch piece of pine. I'm going to nail it right here, and the same thing on the other side up there, and then that'll complete that. And then we'll start working on our stair. I had this piece of crown molding, and I just cut that into basically a 1/4 round piece. As you can see there, it's just nailed in like a piece of 1/4 round on a baseboard. I was able to cut it 3 1/4, and I had a little bit of just a slight gap in there, so I ended up putting a piece of that, cutting a piece of that old crown molding and making a piece of 1/4 round. The total height is around 14 1/4. And it gives the dog plenty of room to be able to get up there. And like I said, this is all made from an old crib or baby bed that a customer gave me and wanted it turned into a dog bed. So the customer also wanted to do a cutting board out of one of those pieces. As I said earlier in the video, from the headboard, I was able to find some of the exterior pieces around that headboard that were pine. The center of it was composite, and I obviously don't want to do it out of composite, but I typically don't do cutting boards out of pine, but this is what the customer wanted. She wanted to repurpose this furniture and turn it into a cutting board. So yeah, she's got a nice little cutting board here. It's not the greatest wood in the world, but it's what she wanted, so that's what we did. So as you can see, you can take old furniture and reuse it. That's what we were trying to do. If this was helpful to you, and you got anything from this video, please comment below, and check out our other videos. We got this video here. It's on our next build. We're gonna do a good video on that and keep you updated on how this kitchen island project is going. We 3D model these things. Any type of furniture we try to throw into our 3D modeling. That way we can give you a better idea of what it's going to look like. So yeah, check out this video and please like and subscribe.